Hello friends, in this lecture we are going to see how to format numbers, that is changing the number of decimal places. For example, in column M under the average daily sales there is a bunch of data which have uh, more decimal places than desired, and they overall give a very bad look to our data set. And so I believe for our current data set, up to two decimal places the data is sufficient. We don't want this 000 or this much fractions or decimal places. So we are going to see how to uh, set the number of decimal places to be uh, appearing on the cell. To do that, right click on the cell you want to format the number and go to format cells. Under the heading numbers, select the decimal number of decimal places you want uh, to be displayed on the cell. I am decreasing the number of decimal places, and the sample is showing me what the cell will look like after applying the change. I'll quickly go down to two decimal places and select OK. This is one way of doing formatting number. There are two ways. The other quick way is using the home ribbon, and under the number tab there is this two buttons which can help us to increase the decimal places or decrease the decimal places. For example, in this I can increase the decimal places by clicking this by 1, and I can click it the number of times I want to increase the decimal places, or I can decrease it. Uh, if you want this to be applied to all the data set in the column, you can do that by right clicking at the bottom right, or undo. You can directly apply format the number by selecting the range and setting the decimal places to 2. Similar is true for using the home ribbon. You can directly change the decimal places of a given set of cells, that is range, using the buttons available here. Other ways, you can select the range, format cells, numbers and 2, and it looks fine, and hit OK, and all the data is rounded up to 2 decimal places, and all of a sudden our data set is looking pretty much clean and clean.